Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines. Wala ka, uy. I have just arrived here in our place from Pukihina, and we are wondering why there's fire trucks, 3 fire trucks. 2 we have been met there in the entrance, and then when I came here, I saw a fireman through what's that? They're having water in the, so it is in our place nga na ay sunog ang kuan katong maisan nga giharbesan nasunog di ay mao di nga na ay fire truck na nag-ilang gi bombero kuan og bombero kuan og water. Saan man siya pa-zoom? Yeah. Nasunog diri. Kati just dropped me in the corner, so I have to walk here. Napay isa ka fire truck di ay nga. One fire truck here in the property. Yeah, there's one more fire truck here. Oh. Here we are. Here we are now in our place. Anong nangyari? Nasunog?
Na ano?
Na?
Na ko yung kuryente.
Sinap ni Kuya, tapos yung ano, hangin konti, kaya na-drop doon, kaya na ano yung
Ay, wire. Oh.
Tapos nag-start na ay nako.
Oh.
Windy.
Tapos, yung kuryente ang nag-apoy.
Konti lang na boom! Kaya tapos
Ay, naku.
The wind. Saan man yung natumba na? Wala pa. Wala pang natumbang kahoy. Yung kahoy ba? Wala pang natumbang kahoy.
Natumba nga.
Wala.
Dito.
Ay, yan. Ah.
It was all my fault. No, I just went the wrong way. It's an apple wire.
It's not the wire. Then the wire gives fire.
Mm. onto the dry corn.
Ah,
Stuck.
because
The wind spread rapidly. So in the end, I had no choice but to help.
Huh? Gusto siyang mag ano, mag ano sa kanila ba, magtabang, mag ano ba, ano ba yung Tagalog sa mag-help.
When you see Michael,
Yes,
he's helping.
Yes.
Michael is helping. I said to him, "Are you okay? Otherwise, you just."
because he has hernia.
That's why I said to him, just but he
Well,
keep
you
on
can't do.
coming.
You've got to do this stuff.
Yeah.
Besides, for it's memories for me. I was in fire service 14 years.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No one.
It's good.
Yeah.
You're holding the hose?
Yeah,
Yeah, all
we
that.
are.
It doesn't matter. It's just
Okay.
so yeah. Nice. Fireman Mike.
How many fire truck? 3?
No, the two gone back because they said it's alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only one coming because they just wait the fire electrician to come before they
They go.
because they need because that one is still on. Yeah. Just in case, so that
Yeah.
at least they are here.
Yeah, because there's a fire truck there, so we're
Yeah, well, it's quite a few came, but you get fire in the suburbs in the cornfields.
yeah.
It's quickly spread, so they send what they can. So, but the guy up there on the farm over there, he brought his truck and spray unit, and that helped. So
Okay.
I dragged the hose for him, and we were doing. It was good while he come.
What guy?
That's from the farmer over there. He was coming out of his shed and he saw the fire, so he
Yeah.
brought his tractor down.
Oh,
And he
okay.
has a big pump for spraying the orchards
Oh, yeah.
full of water.
Oh, yeah.
So
Oh, okay.
it's perfect.
Yeah, okay. Before the fire truck came.
It's good.
Okay. That's good.
Actually, ito how many times he did all this one, especially that one near into that one, but it's okay. Only this one.
There's always one.
This one is the near into the power pole, but it's still okay. But this one is
Windy.
Just
Yeah,
south of
because of the wind.
because of
The other one we have blowing here, the other one.
when he comes here.
No, did we do it in summer or winter last time?
Ano summer?
Yeah, we did it summer.
That one before summer and then
No wind.
and same
Even the one no wind.
yeah, even
That was summer too. I remember that was summer.
and no wind.
Why we couldn't just
Ang dahilan yung wind na sa ha? Oo.
Dalawa yung marapit pa yung ano.
Oo.
Marapit sa kuryente, gumanon.
Oo.
Eh, napuro na ganun. Pero ito lang.
Pero yung tali nyo patungong doon.
Oh, doon.
Patungo.
Yung sasakyan.
Oo, pero
Pero yung hangin,
ang nagdala patungo doon.
na ganun eh.
Oo.
No, Dwayne, do not near into that pole in there.
Okay, that's what happening here in our place. This is where we there's an accident happen. Yeah. Mas na yung kuryente pala na yan na sa kahoy dahil sa wind. So ang hangin ang sa kahoy, yung tali nila is patungo sa kabila, pero yung malakas na hangin ang nagdala ng So yun, naputol yung wire dito na sa yun ang dahilan. Kaya may ano sunog, ay may fire sa ano rice ay cornfield. Okay guys, bye for now, see you next video again. Keep gihapon mo safe diha sa Pinas. God bless. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. To those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. And please subscribe our channel. We almost reached 1,000. Okay, bye for now. God bless. Like, comment, and share. And importantly, subscribe. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.